Your medical malpractice case is going to trial, and you want to know when your case gets to trial, can you sit there and with your iPhone videotape portions of your video? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you whether or not you'll be able to use your iPhone to videotape portions of your trial. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and in all likelihood the answer will be no. You want to know why not? Well, you should know that in New York, in civil cases involving accident matters and medical malpractice matters and even wrongful death matters, there are no cameras allowed in the courtroom. There's no television, there's no televised proceedings of these court proceedings, of these civil trials involving these civil cases. So now, if you were to go ahead and sit there with your iPhone and try and videotape testimony, try and videotape things that were going on between the attorneys and the judge, in all likelihood, either the court officer is going to come and tell you you can't do that, or the judge is going to notice it and tell you you can't do that. Now, why wouldn't they want to allow you to go ahead and use this to go ahead and video your trial? Well, for the key reason that that's why they don't have cameras in the courtroom. The court system in New York has made a policy of not going ahead and publicizing everything that happens in the courtroom. Now, you might say, wait a second, I'm not publicizing it. I just want this for my own benefit so I can see this later on. Well, that's a good argument. However, I don't think any judge in New York is going to allow you the ability to go ahead and videotape selected portions of your particular trial. Now, you might say, hey, I want to take sections of it and I want to post it to YouTube. I want to put it on social media. I want to tell the world what's going on in my trial. Well, you should know that a civil trial in New York is literally open to the public. Anyone can come in and watch and observe. So you might be saying, why don't they simply televise that? Well, that's an issue you have to take up with the court administration to determine why they are not putting cameras in the courtroom. But as of today, in May of 2016, cameras are not permitted in the courtroom. And if you were to try and use your iPhone or any other type of camera to take video, in all likelihood, somebody's going to stop you. So why don't I share this quick inside piece of information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at what happens during a trial here in New York. You know, I recognize and I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you haven't started a lawsuit yet, and you have questions that need answers first before making that decision about whether to go forward, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer questions like yours. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.